Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow or enable camera access on the Instagram app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Instagram and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to be directed to your profile page. Then select the hamburger icon in the top right. You want to scroll down underneath where it says your apps and media, and you want to select device permissions. Where it says camera, go ahead and select that. And you want to select where it says your device is set to. Select where it says update device settings at the bottom. And you have to open up device settings on your phone, and then you can go ahead and allow them through here. So if you're on Android, you would select permissions here, and then you would select camera, and then you would have to either allow only when using the app or ask every time. The process may be a little different for iOS devices, but you guys get the gist on there. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.